Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy iPhone Tips One, and this is a unboxing of the a product I bought about a week ago. It's the Apple keyboard. I'm recording on my iPhone, iPod Nano, even 5th generation. So if you want to see the unboxing or review of it, check out my channel and subscribe over there. Thanks, guys. So yeah, I got this Apple keyboard, wireless Bluetooth one. You might be able to see straight from the Apple website. It was, I think, £50 and $79. So check it out on the Apple Store. Let's go and open it. So I've opened it up slowly, quickly, and this is the keyboard itself. So let's just take this out of the box, and this is what comes in the box. So if we see that, we have a look at that. There's meant to be a CD in there, I think, but I've taken that out, or just some notes and stuff. Don't know, there's meant to be a CD, and there's a manual in there as well. So you might see that Apple wireless keyboard manual. I think it should show you how to. It's a really nice box, really lovely design box by Apple, usual kind of stuff. And let's just open this quickly. I can't open it with one hand. So yeah, so it just shows some decoration kind of thing. Shows you where to put the batteries in. So I'm guessing the batteries go in the side. Using your keyboard, yeah, you get the idea. So it comes in the packet, and yeah, that as well. So the keyboard itself, this is the keyboard. It doesn't have like the number pad as usually you find over here, but it's just the one you kind of find on a MacBook. That kind of standard, but I'm using this for my MacBook, and because it feels really nice. I mean, if I take it out of the packaging, you might have to see it better. So let's put that back over there. So this is the MacBook keyboard. So it looks like that, as you might be able to tell. It's like a full QWERTY keyboard. There's the power button, very flush design. See that there. And I'm guessing on this side you use a coin and chain and take it out and put the batteries in that way. And I'll be doing a full review of it as well to see how well it. Obviously the green light there, so it's on, and turn it off. Do a full review of it so you can see how well I can type on it and stuff like that. And you know, if it's easy to type on it, you know, it seems really small. It seems like the same width as the MacBook keyboard. Feels really nice. Yeah, if you'd like to try it out, go to the Apple Store. They have them out on display with the iMacs. So it's pretty cool. So that's the unboxing of the Apple wireless Bluetooth keyboard. Check it out, the Apple Store. You can buy in different language formats and stuff like that. However, like where the hash key is and where like the app button is on a keyboard. But so yeah, so check it out in the Apple Store. If you're new, subscribe. I'm doing an unboxing of Apple Mighty Mouse, which I just got as well. So that'd be pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Your boy iPhone Tips One. Peace.